I'm going to cut into these old Brita filters and empty them all out. Then do a super close-up side-by-side comparison of their contents against those in a brand new unused one. The first Brita filter I used for 1 month, the second for 2 months, and so on. The model on the left is the one I use. I've never known anyone who likes the one on the right at about half the capacity. I kept them in the Ziploc bag because dust might get in and give a false result. This seems probably the best way, and I'll open them all the same way. The contents are mostly dark, so I'm using white cards for contrast for the camera. This is what empty filters look like inside, and they're soft. This is the contents of the new unused one. The round resin beads capture cadmium and copper. The irregular pieces are activated carbon that reduces mercury and the chlorine taste and odor. At least that's what Brita says on the box. This is these filter spec sheet, and they do not reduce lead like people I've talked to think. The link to this is in the description. Okay, here we go with the filters side by side, starting with the new unused one versus the 1 month. Not much difference, except the irregular shaped carbon pieces are slightly lighter by being bleached by chlorine and absorbing the mercury. And a few of those round, tannish green resin captures are a little more tan and a little less green from exchanging those reddish copper and cadmium ions. Here at 2 months, a whole lot more of the resin pellets are a more tannish color now. And at 3 months, there's twice as many of the tannish colored. The 4 month looks the same as the 3, so the pellets have likely reached their ion exchange limit, but that's just a guess based on how it looks. The 5 months one looks like the 3 months one too. No difference at 6 months either. So, all the visible changes took place in the first 3 months. You see in the 1, 2, and 3 month filters. There is talk on the net that bacteria builds up in the filters with time, and I believe that since they are sitting in water, but at how many gallons of use? I could find no info, not even on Brita's website. Thanks for watching.